Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a color contact try on haul. So excited about this. This collaboration is with MYEYEBB. They sent me over 4 pairs of contacts, so let's get right into it. So inside of the box, again, we have 4 pair. So we have the color Boho Brown, Rome times Gray, Cocoa Brown, and last but not least, Neo Sunflower Green. So I'm definitely excited to try these out, so keep on watching. Also inside of here, they gave you a pamphlet. They also gave me a case for each one of the lenses. So I have 4 of them. And then they also provided me with some tools to put the contacts on and also to take them off. So let's get right into this haul. I will reveal my favorite color at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I will leave the link to where you can purchase these contact lenses and also a discount code, so make sure you check it out. So this is Rome times Gray. Gives me like a mysterious sort of vibe. Absolutely love this color. Let me give you a close-up of it. Definitely like this one. So this is color number 1, Rome times Gray. On to color number 2. Okay, and this is number 2. This is the Boho Brown. This is definitely giving me like a hazel vibes, like a light hazel brown. Absolutely love it. It complements my hair color. Super cute. Number 2. Give you a close-up. On to number 3. So this is pair number 3. This is the Neo Sunflower Green. It's definitely giving me summer beach vibes. Really like this color, so let me give you a close-up so we can get into this Neo Sunflower Green. This is pair number 3. The last pair, number 4. Keep watching. Okay, number 4. This is Cocoa Brown. This is probably the most close to my natural eye color. It's definitely giving natural vibes. I will definitely be rocking these a lot. So if you can tell, now you know this is definitely my favorite of the 4, but I do love them all. So let's give you a close-up and then we'll get more into the review. This Cocoa Brown is definitely my number 1 pick, only because it looks very natural, although I definitely will be rocking all of these contacts, switching them up just to give myself a little something different, a little different vibe. My initial impressions review of these contacts are definitely a thumbs up. Installing the contacts were super easy. My eyes are not red, which does happen with some color contact lenses. So I don't have that irritation that I've had before with other color contact lenses. Absolutely love the colors. The shipping was great. Packaging is amazing. I absolutely love these color contacts from MYEYEBB. So So definitely check the description box. I'll put my discount code on the screen as well as in the description box. Also leave the link where you can purchase these, and let me know in the comment section which color is your favorite. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.